Welcome back to all the children of Southborough. We have been so looking forward to you all being back in school together in one place, having lots of fun and learning new and exciting things. At last we have Team Southborough back where we belong. This video is all about being awesome and being part of Team Southborough. What do you have to follow at Southborough to be awesome? Here are our rainbow rules. You will remember these from last term when we first introduced them to you. Which of them can you remember? Here are some Year 3 children to remind you of the rules and how you might follow them.
The red rainbow rule is we respect all members of our community. I am going to show this by being nice to everyone in my class and everyone who is not in my class.
The orange rainbow rule is we are truthful and we listen. I am going to show this by listening to the teacher and not lying.
The yellow rule is we have good manners and walk sensibly around the school. I am going to show this by saying please and thank you and not running or screaming down the corridor.
The green rainbow rule is we look after property. I am going to show this by not throwing the equipment over the fence.
The blue rainbow rule is we are gentle and calm at all times. I am going to show this by not shouting at others. The indigo rainbow rule is we are kind and helpful. I am going to show this by holding the door open for someone.
The violet rainbow rule is we work hard. I am going to show this by doing everything I have been asked to do.
Remember that when you follow the rainbow rules, you get your peg moved from the sun to the rainbow, and then if it stays on the rainbow, then you get your name in the pot of gold. If your name is pulled out of the pot of gold, then that equals 10 dojos. There are reminders of rainbow rules all around the school. Here are some places that you will find them. On the playground. On cards in your classroom. On the walls in your classroom. Remember that if you follow the rainbow rules outside of the classroom, you will get a rainbow sticker, which will earn you 2 dojos. Remember also our core values: support, bravery, perseverance, and self-reflection. You can earn stickers when you show these values and certificates in our Friday celebration assembly. What do these core values mean to you? We want to reward you for making the right choices and trying your best to be an awesome version of yourself. Have a look at this page to see some of the rewards that you can earn. Remember that you're also working towards earning class dojos. 40 dojos, that's when you get your personal reward. And for a class reward, you are working towards 2,000 dojos. Good luck. So remember that the total number of dojos is also on your classroom door. Your target is 2,000 dojos, And this will show you how far you've got to go to get to 2000. 2000 equals the class prize. Good luck. We are also going to introduce a new reward to celebrate your amazing work, the Golden Book. This will be introduced over the next couple of weeks. Your teacher can choose 3 children per week to send to a school leader for outstanding work. This gives you a mention in our Golden Book in Friday's assembly. If you get mentioned in that Golden Book 5 times, then you get a prestigious Golden Prize. Now it's over to you. In your classes, discuss the rainbow rules and the core values. How could you show each of those rules or demonstrate each of those core values? How could you earn yourself a sticker, a reward, a dojo? Let's all work together. Let's make Southborough awesome and the best place to be.